So dark posts definitely works way better when it comes to retargeting and certain type of ads. Hey guys, what's up? In this video, it's pretty short and straight to the point video. We'll be talking about Facebook page posts versus dark posts. A lot of people ask this question. They're like, hey Andy, should I post all my posts in dark posts or page posts? And I'll be giving you all the pros and cons of both. And if you guys watch to the very end, I'll go ahead and give you guys my own final opinions. Before we get into the video, let's announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit the like button on this video, and follow me on Instagram, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, let's get right into the video. So Facebook page posts versus dark posts. So the pros of having a page post: it makes your brand look more active. You know, having posts for all your different ads on your page, it makes your sort of brand look like it's active, it's posting content, and it's up to date. 2, it makes your brand look more trustworthy. If you have a page filled with content, you're uploading different products that you're testing every single day, it just builds your brand's equity and sort of trust and sort of legitimacy. 3, it will build up engagement onto your page. You'll start getting likes, you'll start getting organic traffic, and you sort of compound this sort of organic effect. 4, you'll get organic traffic. Now you're building likes. People who like your page will then see your posts, and you're getting free traffic that you sort of pay to initially obtain. Now they stick, you get more free traffic. Facebook rewards organic traffic. So if you're getting organic traffic, people are tagging their friends, it's getting more viral, you would often actually get lower CPMs. So by doing a page post, you will actually get cheaper CPMs, and you'll be able to reach the same amount of people at a cheaper price, just because of the organic virality effect of a page post has. Now, dark posts. The advantage of having a dark post is you could choose your call to action. So you could actually create buttons. So with a page post, your default button is like a learn more button. But with a dark post, you could actually pick between shop now buttons, apply now buttons, learn more buttons, etc. You could choose your call to actions. And the biggest pro of a dark post is competitors can't find your ads. So with a page post, if people search up free shipping, your product name, your niche, your videos might show up. They could go to your page and see all the different videos you have and all the different products you're testing. They can know just by the amount of views which videos has, and it's pretty obvious which product is a winning product, the video with the most views. Whereas if you create a dark post, it hides all your winning ads, all your winning products from competitors, and that's definitely a big pro of having a dark post. Now, my opinion. Personally, I just do page posts because of all the benefits that it offers. Like all these benefits, that's like 5 benefits versus like 2 benefits. And what can I do to sort of avoid the issue of competition being able to see my posts? I just outscale all competition. I just scale really fast when I have a winning product. I use manual bidding, I use lookalike audience, and I'm at a point where I can just outscale competition, where the extra added effect of the organic virality I get from a page post outweighs the small amount of competition that can come in and get a small piece of the pie. And 3, it's just great social proof. Now I have this page, I can show you guys the amount of views I've gotten, and it's just sort of an asset you now hold. You have a page that has like say 20-30,000 likes, it has videos with 2-3 million views. That's something now you own, and it's great social proof. It makes your page look legitimate, it makes you look legitimate, and it's now an asset you own. Whereas a dark post, once you make it and you stop running the ads, that dark post sort of just disappears. But yeah, that's my opinion. I definitely like doing page posts over dark posts, but it depends on the situation, of course. Like all my personal brand ads, those are all dark posts because I can't really have them on my page because they're just straight up retargeting ads. Also, retargeting ads, those are probably better with dark posts because you don't want to be giving coupons to everyone on your page. You want to be retargeting people with coupons. So dark posts definitely works way better when it comes to retargeting and certain type of ads. But yeah, that's the video. Question of the day, what do you use? Do you use dark posts or do you use page posts? I want to hear what you currently use. Drop in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, by the way. that helps. Hit the like button if this video brought you some value. If you want these sites completely for free, then the description below, I give them away. I don't ask for anything at all. Other than that, thank you so much for your time and effort that you're putting into watching these daily videos. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys found value, and hopefully I'll be able to see you tomorrow with more golden nuggets. Have an awesome day. Peace.